this video I will show how to use the tire changer tool with the Trikke Defender wheels. This is the rear wheel that is a smaller diameter, and this is the front wheel larger diameter, but they are kind of the same. They have different axle lengths, and I will show how to use this device here. It has two adapters, one that says RR for rear and another one that says FR for the front, and also it has this little tool, and you can see we have 3 posts and 1 hole. First thing first, we will attach this to any table, and we want this hole hanging off the edge, okay? And I will use a clamp to hold this to the table. You can see this is a kind of a light duty table, plastic top, so it's an easy table to find around. I'll use this C-clamp, and I'll put the device here a little bit an angle so I can clamp more or less almost on the center. Don't need to clamp too much, but enough to get this okay. You see it's good enough. We'll take any let's say the rear wheel, the brake rotor goes down. You can see these 3 bosses will go through 3 holes and will sit, and the wheel will sit against that top, so this way, and the axle will go through this hole. Okay, so now I will take these tools. So this handle is for the rear, this is for the front, and this is our 10 millimeters axle to hold the axle. So let's install again. The axle go through the hole, and these bosses will touch the wheel, and I will use the rear on the axle here, and I will screw this until it kind of pulls the axle. You see, once I start screwing here, this will want to move, the axle wants to move. I will use this little tool and lock in place. Now I can work on the wheel. So I will take the air, pry out the tire, and do the work. So the same thing we'll do with the front wheel, but we'll need a kind of a different one with a longer bolt. So these are the 2 tools. Once you are done with the job, you hold here and you will unscrew this knob. Okay, and you remove this, and you can remove your setup from the table. Once you're done, you put this back in place, just to secure this so you don't lose these parts. As you see, I can use any table. It's not a lot of weight or a lot of force that you have to do, but you have to have something that holds the wheel for you to do to change the tire.